Hello everyone, I am Anthony from Weinzierl. Today we're talking about comfort. No matter if it's a hot summer day or a cold winter evening, with our Weinzierl KNX Push Button 420.1 secure with integrated room temperature controller, you'll always have the perfect indoor climate. And how does it all look in the ETS? Let's take a quick look. First, we activate the room temperature controller in the ETS. Then you can set it directly, heating, cooling, or both, with one valve, two valves, or even two systems. Helpful for commissioning. With the diagnosis in the ETS, you can see immediately whether everything is set correctly. Simple, flexible, and directly from the ETS. And where do the temperature values come from? The actual value is measured by the integrated sensor on the button or received from the bus. The set point can be adjusted using a visual interface, for example our KNX IP BIOS 777 with web visualization. Stay tuned. In the next video, we'll take a first look at the successor of the Multi-I/O series.